Okay guys, so we're almost done now. So right now, we want to be able to update our orders. But this is how it is here. We want to give this updating and deleting of orders to the admin. We want to make sure only the admins can update a given order, and also only the admins can delete an order. You get, so not so you can't just come in and update your orders. Remember, your orders have a field. They have this field called pending status. That pending status here could be pending, it could be complete, it could be failed. So it's the admin that could come in here and update your given status. You understand? Not you yourself updating it by yourself. You get. So how do you go about this now? So go down to your views now. So now we're going to remove these permission classes we have here, and we're going to simply customize our permissions. Let's do that right away. So I'll say def. So I'll say get permission classes. Get permissions rather. So right now, let me just say if self.user is staff. So if this user is an admin, so now, sorry, there's a mistake here. I was meant to say if self.method self.requests.method in. So right now we're going to simply put in some HTTP methods here. Now we're going to put in the patch method and also the delete method. Remember we are yet to update a certain field called the pending status. So we are going to use the patch method, not the put, because the put method simply replaces an entire object. But with the patch method, you can simply update a given attribute. You get. So right now I'm going to just say patch, and then I could also say delete. So now right now only an admin can simply delete or update your orders. You get. So now, so so we're trying to say that right now, if it is any of this method, if it is a patch method or if it is a delete method, once we return the admin, we're going to say return, let's say is admin user. I think I don't have it imported. Let's go import it. So just here is admin user. Yeah, so come down here again. So now where is it again? Okay, I think it's here. I'm gonna say it's admin user. So that's it, and then else I'm gonna simply return, what was it again? I'm gonna return is authenticated. So is authenticated. Yeah. So what we are doing now is this now. So if we are trying to do, so right now if the request is simply a patch or a delete method, only the admin can perform those tasks. But if it is any other task like the posts or the gets, the logged in user can perform those tasks. You get. So right now I'm going to remove these permission classes from the top. So it's gone. So I think we've done this now. So let's go see and see how it is. So now to the browser. So now I think we should have some orders for this logged in user. So okay, you can see we have an order. Just copy this, the ID is 5, go down to /5 and then enter. So right now you can see, what am I saying here? I can see, I think we can update. That's wrong. Okay, so right now the reason why we are saying this put is because of this particular field only supports the patch method. Understand? So for us to prevent this put method here, you can see we don't have it. We check closely, we don't have the delete button up here, but we have the put method here. So right now the put is not supported. If you try to update using this put button, it's going to try an error. So to avoid us seeing this put method, just come here, and then we're going to create a new. We're going to just come here and say HTTP method name should be equal to a list of method we want. So we're going to just list out the method. We're going to say get. We're going to say patch, get patch, post, and then we're going to say delete. We also have the options, and what was it called? I think options, and what was the last one? I think it's ads or add. Okay, so I think it's add. Yeah, I think it's that. So let's just try So that's it now. So let's try and see if it works this time. To the browser, refresh. So right now we can't update, we can't delete. So if you are not an admin right now, Sam is not an admin, so he can't update or delete. So right now I'm going to make Sam an admin now, an admin. So let's see, 127, go down to /admin. So I want to make Sam an admin user, and let's see if he can. So let's log in and see if Sam can be able to update the given order. Come down to users. So now this is Sam here. What's that? It says unknown field specified for user. Ouch. So I don't think I can do this now. My user model is throwing some error. So I was trying to make Sam the admin, but it's throwing some error right now. So I think I made some. Okay. So let's just log in as the admin. Let's log in as the admin rather. So right now I am logged in as the admin. So if I refresh this page now, we're going to see Clint, which is the admin. Refresh. So now Clint is logged in. I can see we have the delete button up here. We also have the patch button on the bottom here. You understand? But we are not done yet. So if you see, for us to patch now, we have to return all these objects. This is too much. So for it to update a given order, we want to simply return just the pending status. But right there, we're having a full object. So how do we fix this? So we're going to create a new serializer now, just for updating, because we can't update we can't update an order with all the. This is just, we only need this pending status as the field we are meant to update. You get? So right now let's go fix it now to your browser. So I'm going to create a new serializer. I'm going to call this update order serializer. I'm going to say class. I'm going to say update order serializer. I'm going to inherit from serializers dot model serializer. After we've done this, the next thing to do now is our class method. Model should be equal to order, and the field should be equal to, we're going to say pending status, pending underscore status. And after we've done this, that's the field name. And after we've done all this, now the next thing to do is come down to your order view sets, just here in your serializer class. Now we're going to write another if statement. We're going to say else if self dot request dot method is equal to patch. I'm going to simply return updates order serializer. So I think that's it now. And let's see, refresh this page right now. Another error, it says name UP is not defined. I think, where is it? Like 107 is fine. So let's run the server again. I think our server was too slow to catch the changes, so that's why we have that error there. So running. So once my server is up and running, we'll test again. So let me just check if my run server. Okay, so our server is up again. To the browser, refresh. So right now we only have the pending status, right? You get? So if I come in here and okay, this is what we need to. Let me just check my code again, my models. So I think I'll prefer to use P here. Just use a P there. Okay, but it's fine. I think it's fine. Let's just put in C there. Let's put in C. Click on patch. You can see our printing status now has been set to complete. You understand? So if you check here, we're using the model, we're using the P, the C, and the F, whereby the P stands for, whereby P is this pending, the C is the complete, and the F is the failed. Here, so we've been able to update our orders. Remember, if you're not an admin, you can't see this button and you can't see this form if you are not an admin, you get. So that's it now for this tutorial. So right now we've been able to update our permissions, and also we've also been able to update a given order you get. So that's it for this video. So see you in the next episode. So stay blessed and bye bye.